If you tried to nail me to my politics, people can't figure out whether I'm a right-winger, a left-winger, or what I am. I'll tell you straight out, I'm an anarchist. I am an absolute anarchist. I mean, I believe in people more than abstractions or institutions. I will always rely on people. To a level perhaps uncomfortable for you. I remember back in the 60s, my line was, if you come upon a mob, you must join, because the people understand far more than you do about what is going on. And that kind of radical commitment to freedom is going to be necessary to dismantle these very, very rigid power structures that are, being shoved down everybody's throat. And so the new culture, I think, is a dispersed virtual culture on the internet that is not product-oriented. It's aesthetics should rule the world, and the best ideas should win. But we all have to stop being consumers. We have to redefine really who we are. It's a much more courageous role